Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll be continuing with our Materia Medica 3rd BHMS flashcard series with our next drug which is Illumina in a nutshell. So ये जो सीरीज है वो आपको एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले या एग्जाम के थोड़े टाइम पहले हर एक ड्रग को रिवाइज करने के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगी, जहाँ पे हम उसके हर एक जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन कवर कर लेंगे, एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम कवर करेंगे, स्पेशल की नोट्स, द मोडालिटीज and the core of the remedy and some of the specific questions which are asked in the exam. Alright, so ये वीडियो आपको काफ़ी हेल्प करेगा ड्रग्स को एग्जाम्स के पहले रिवाइज करने के लिए. So we'll begin with Illumina. First of all, we'll cover the general information of the drug. General info of Illumina. Common name aluminium hydrate. Source mineral kingdom. Formula Al2O3.3H2O. Prover is Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Thermally, it is a chili remedy. Miasmatically, it is antisodic plus antipsychotic. The questions which can be asked from this drug in your question paper could be a full drug picture of Illumina, the GIT, baby, and it's a very important remedy, and a very important short note which can be asked is for constipation. Ailments from artificial food, lifting, bottle-fed babies, bodily exertion, disappointment, anger, lead poisoning. Modalities: aggravation. The general aggravation is from the food which is artificial, potatoes which is full of starchy food, periodically on alternate days, very important, full and new moon, which is a very characteristic symptom of Illumina, wherein the complaints are aggravated on full and new moon. Caution, tobacco and smoke also aggravates. Warmth of room, which is very 3 mark, and the warmth of bed it's also an aggravating factor. Ameliorating factors are evening, which is better by open air, moderate exertion plus temperature, damp weather. The core of the remedy. So we'll discuss the core of this remedy, Illumina, which is lack of vital heat. The remedy has a lot of lack of vital heat. Chilly person who are apprehensive, hasty, impulsive, guilty, conscious. Anxiety about future. Dryness of mucous membrane, very important. Debility, sluggishness, heaviness, numbness and staggering are some of its important keynotes as well. Chilly dispositions, as we have above mentioned, and you will further see that this part has often been repeated in many various sections. Introduction from Borix Materia Medica. As we all know, we have this thing of doing and covering the introduction from the Borix Materia Medica or Fataks Materia Medica, because I think these two Materia Medicas have really good introduction to a drug which covers the whole gist of the drug. So we'll be continuing with our Borix Materia Medica intro, wherein this drug is useful in general conditions of this drug is dryness of mucous membrane, as we have discussed, plus tendency to paretic muscular states. So paretic is a term which is corresponding to paralysis. This drug is useful in paralysis and different paresthesias which can be covered in this drug's sphere of action. Old people with lack of vital heat, heaviness, numbness, staggering. Excellent remedy for constipation. Delicate children, product of artificial baby food. Dr. Fatak says it affects cerebrospinal axis, causing disturbances in coordination plus paretic effect. As we all know कि अगर cerebrospinal axis को affect करता है, then more or less it will also affect the muscular system as well, and which will lead to some paretic effects and paralysis. Mind of Illumina. The patient is very hasty and hurried always. Time passes too slowly. An hour seems half a day. Okay, so this is very important keynote of Illumina, that the time passes too slowly and an hour seems half a day. Great mental confusion as to his own personal identity. Alternating moods. Suicidal tendency on seeing blood, knife. Paresthesia in the mental sphere. The consciousness of reality plus judgment is disturbed. Impressions reaches consciousness slowly. Illusion of being large, numb, smooth, heavy. Vagueness, there are no clear symptoms which comes out. Depression and despair are also some of the important mental symptoms. Confirmatory symptoms of Illumina include lack of vital heat, great mental plus physical exhaustion, especially after menses. Dryness of skin, mucous membrane, rectum, vagina is also very important. Sensation as if dried white eggs is on face or of a cobweb. Craving for indigestible things like starch, chalk and charcoal. Clinically, it is useful in conditions of ataxia, Alzheimer's disease, constipation, dementia, depression, eczema, spinal degenerations. Alumina is chronic of bryonia. As we can see that the factor of dryness is very uh, particular in this drug. Alumina is also the chronic of bryonia. Constipation of alumina. Some of the keynote characteristic constipation symptoms of alumina include the causation factor is dryness of the intestinal tract plus paresis of the intestines, also due to inactivity of rectum, much straining for passing stools, soft stools expelled with difficulty. There is no urging. Constipation of small children's rectum sore and painful after passing stools. Some keynotes from the red line symptoms of Dr. Copperwith book includes profuse transparent acrid leukorrhea running down to the feet during the day, inactivity of rectum, even soft stools require great straining. Okay guys, so we have covered the alumina remedy in a nutshell in just a short gist of the full remedy. I'll highly recommend you all to go through all different materia medicas which you read and cover the whole drug fully. But if you want to revise it in a nutshell, this is it, and this is a very good revision flash card which will help you all to revise the drug alumina in a quick time. So with that said, I'll request that if you like this video, please do give it a like and share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel as well. It will motivate me to make more and more such videos. Thank you.